Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about margins in CSS3. Let's watch. In before tutorial we seen about borders and how to create a border for everything was explained in before tutorial. You can see that we are having different borders which is like dotted, dashed, everything was explained in before tutorial. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn how to create a border and what is border, everything was explained. Now in this tutorial I'm going to explain about margin. So what is margin? Is it possible to create a margin by using CSS? Everything I want to discuss. So this is website. As you can see, this is can the photo can be used in particular border only, so that is can be called is also called as margin. So you can create the margins of for everything. So why we can create the margin? So guys, you can observe, so based on the width of this the border was created. So I don't want the border, I want the border for here only, so the selected area only. So we can create the selected area border by using margin. So we are having like margin top, margin right, margin bottom and margin left. And if you want margin left and margin right which is very less, then automatically it was decreases and we'll get like a what we want. So that is the uses of margin. So if you want the specific length and specific width, we can use by using margin properties. And just I'll create a margin for using div tag. First of all, I'll create div tag and I'll write some code, some matter here. So just I'll copy, which is like I'm a YouTuber or something I'm copying. So I'm just pasting here. So here I want to give the margin for this, and just control S and just reload. If you reload, so of course you get like I'm a YouTuber and something. So here I want to get like a margins for this tag. Is it possible or not? Yes, is it possible? By our we are having four tags which was already explained. So first of all, I want to give the div tag. So just give div and write and just give the uh, code of CSS. So the div tag which is like border, first of all just give the border here. So I'm giving the border which is like 1 pixel. So I'm using only pixel guys in all tutorials. I'm not specifying percentage or anything. And I want like solid blue color. So solid blue. So I want, and I'm giving the margin. I already explained that we are having like four properties which is like margin top, margin bottom, margin right and margin left. So just give the margin. First of all I'm giving margin top, margin top, and I'm giving the pixels which is like 200 pixel. And next we are having margin bottom, and just I'm giving of course 200 in margin bottom also. And based on that you can give, of course this is all about your wish. And margin right, margin right I'm giving like 100 pixels. Yeah. And we are having margin left. So margin left I'm giving like 50 pixels. Just I'm giving and just control S and reload it, and you can see that the margin what we got like this. So and you can see the space about this. So this is called the space here. A left thing I given like what you can say that in right side, uh, in right and left, generally in left side I given the 50 pixels, this is 50 and this is 80, and top I given like 200 pixels. And yeah, and bottom I given like 200 pixels. If I decrease to 100 pixels, and you can observe very clearly, and just control S and just reload it, and you can see that now 100 pixels it was changed. If you give 10 pixels in top and just can observe and reload it, you can see the 10 pixels, the image and here. So this is the margin to create, like if you want a particular thing in particular direction, so is it possible by only margin? So I given the border also if you want, and I want like background color also. So like I want like background color, so just I'm giving the background color to charcoal or something I'm giving, and we'll get the background color of this, and you can see that only that tag only will get the background color. So this is all about margin. So yeah, it's like a small recap. We are having four things. If you want to particular size, you can give the particular. So if you give like auto, it's or just take automatically in same and just reload it. Yeah. So auto means it doesn't specify any sizes. It automatically takes. That's called auto. I think it's like a very clear explanation about margins. So I'll come with another tutorial which is called CSS backgrounds. I want to discuss the backgrounds and everything very clearly in CSS, not in HTML, in CSS. So until then, wait for next tutorial. If you really like this video, just give a share and like, and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button, and we are going to learn lot many things in this channel. And I'll come with a new video and new tutorials for you.